Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Tuesday, the 18th of November. It's your daily recap. We've had an interesting day here. Starting with the VIX, the VIX is still out of the Bollinger Bands, right? So, this is a risk-off environment, meaning we're not adding new risk. We're taking quick trades, but we're not looking to really be taking any big longs yet at this point. We did come way off the highs. We hit a high of almost 26, but now we're pushing back up here as we go into the closes. We're drifting around a little bit. Overall, the VIX is very, very elevated. That means options are also more expensive. By the way, we're having a webinar on the close. I hope you join us. Bonds, what are you doing? Bonds are doing nothing. Gold is doing nothing. Bitcoin and crypto had a nice little hammer bounce today. Will this hold? I don't know. Look at this, been down one, two, three, four, five days in a row before reversing today. We'll see. All right, so let's start off with the S&P 500. So what did we do today? Well, what do we know here? We've been rejected at the 8 to 21 day up here twice. Today we gapped down. We tried to push. We came down. We went lower. We just missed a 5% pullback by very little sense. We bounced up, but we couldn't quite go green. And here we are just hanging out with about 20 minutes to go. Not a lot going on. Overall, this is a nothing candle, right? When you look at this candle, does it change your perspective from bullish to bearish? Not yet. Had we finished green, and if we do that and we have a hammer, maybe it does. We'll do that in the close of the webinar. If we drop down, it might do as well. But right now, nothing's really changed here. The Qs, similar. The IWM today was stronger. That's a nice little candle there. The Dow today was a little weaker. The banks came running back. The regional banks really came running back. XBI today, still pushing strong. We had Merck today with their new data drug, new highs here. That was nice. Lilly still holding in very nice, new all-time high there. J&J, which hit a new all-time high yesterday, just missing it here. You get the idea. They continue to hide in these big pharmacies. Retail, not the place to be. Costco breaking down here today. We have Target tomorrow morning. Home Depot reported today, and it was not a good report. Continue to see weakness in retail, and they're not really forecasting a good holiday season here. So keep that in mind. Hood had some strength today off the crypto along with coin. They held serve, but didn't go anywhere. Google also held in well today nicely with that little upgrade. What did we trade today? Today it was about little trades. I traded TQQQ a bunch of times. I traded Tesla to the downside using TSLQ. Tesla held in okay. Microsoft got pummeled today, new range lows, but it came back above it. Amazon got pummeled today, gave that whole entire earnings pop back. Not what I want to see. I'm an Amazon holder. I have options that are basically worthless. Meta had a nice rebound holding in. It got down below 590 there for a while. Apple had another one of those not much days holding the 21 day under the 8 day. Palantir had a decent day, held in, but coming back. The semis, not a lot. Put a new range low in before coming up. Nvidia earnings tomorrow night, back on the 100 day. AMD here down, not doing much. And, we saw some of these names like Micron and SanDisk finally selling off a little bit. I mean, these things have been in the stratosphere. So the real thing here is when you look at this market today, to me, nothing's changed. And, we're going to talk about market and the characteristics here on the webinar here at 4 o'clock. I'm going to record it, but you guys should try to join it live and can ask questions. We can have a conversation. I hope you're all doing well. If you need to talk, you want to talk to me, please reach out. I'm always happy to have a conversation with you guys. Markets change character. Let's talk about it at 4 o'clock.